Most people use Duolingo to learn a new language, but sometimes you might want to delete your account. Maybe you're no longer interested in learning the language, or you're just ready to move on to something else. Whatever the reason in this video, I will show you how to delete your Duolingo account. Just follow the simple steps and your account will be gone in no time. So if you're ready to say goodbye to Duolingo, watch this video until the very end. To get started first, open up any web browser that you like and then go to duolingo.com. Then tap on I already have an account and sign in to the Duolingo account that you want to delete. After signing into your Duolingo account, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. So now what you want to do next is scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, and as you can see, there is the option to delete your account. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on this red button that says Erase Personal Data. And it will send you an email, and you can open up that email, and you have to tap on a link that says Delete My Data to confirm that you want to delete your Duolingo account. And if you change your mind, you have 7 days to restore your account. After those 7 days, you cannot stop the deletion process and your Duolingo account will be deleted permanently. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.